What is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a CAD program used for precise 2D and 3D drafting, design, and modeling using solids, surfaces, mesh objects, documentation features, and more. It has tools for automating tasks and increasing efficiency, such as drawing comparison, counting, adding items, and producing tables. It also includes tools for electrical design, plant design, architecture layout drawings, mechanical design, 3D mapping, adding scanned photos, and converting raster images. Users may use AutoCAD to create, modify, and annotate drawings on desktop, online, and mobile platforms. In December 1982, AutoCAD was published as a desktop application for microcomputers with inbuilt graphics controllers. AutoCAD's native file formats are represented by a file name extension of .dwg, .dwt, .dws, or .dxf. Variants of AutoCAD. AutoCAD comes in two variants, AutoCAD and AutoCAD LT. Both use the same basic features. AutoCAD supports both 2D and 3D drawing and automation, but AutoCAD LT only supports 2D drafting. AutoCAD LT is a low-cost, limited-capability version of AutoCAD that was initially launched in November 1993. AutoCAD LT was created by Autodesk as an entry-level CAD solution to compete at a lower price point. AutoCAD offers all of the functionality of AutoCAD LT as well as additional productivity-enhancing tools such as 3D modeling and automation of repetitive procedures. You may also alter the user interface with APIs and add-on programs in AutoCAD. Who uses AutoCAD? AutoCAD is used to make accurate 2D and 3D drawings by students, architects, designers, engineers, project managers, real estate developers, and construction professionals. Architects use AutoCAD to develop anything from conceptual drawings and layouts to fully detailed construction documentation and 3D models. Engineers often use a variety of applications to perform calculations and simulations for their designs, but when it comes to putting all of the information on blueprints, they frequently use AutoCAD to assemble all of the numerous schematics, schedules, and design drawings on sheets. Some AutoCAD capabilities enable engineers to perform calculations and scheduling within the software itself. The blueprints given by an architect or engineer are always used by contractors to carry out a project, and if they are proficient in AutoCAD, it allows them to dig deeper into the blueprints. They can check the dimensions and particulars and give comments to building designers to identify any potential issues on the project's site. Many interior designers participating in projects base their work on building plans. Interior designers use AutoCAD to reference the architectural drawings in order to overlay their own designs on top of them because architects produce the plans for buildings using the same program. Alternatives to AutoCAD. Although there are other CAD programs available, AutoCAD is a fantastic tool for producing precise designs. Alternatives to AutoCAD abound and provide various features and advantages. Some of these programs are desktop applications that operate on Windows, Mac, and Linux computers, while others are subscription-based internet or web-based programs. Some of the most well-liked AutoCAD substitutes are listed below.